All right, everybody, welcome back. When it comes to big life decisions, life insurance is definitely up there
Oh, absolutely.
and honestly can feel kind of overwhelming.
Yeah, it's one of those things we put off.
Exactly. So many options, so much jargon. But we're here to help.
That's right.
In this deep dive, we're going to arm you with the knowledge to spot those shady sales tactics
For sure.
and and make sure you're getting the best policy. The one that actually works for you and your needs.
Absolutely. Your individual needs.
We're tapping into the expertise of diversified insurance brokers for this one.
Great folks over there.
They have seen it all,
Oh, yeah.
the good, the bad, the ugly.
Mm.
So let's jump right in. One of the first things that always tops into my mind, like just a classic red flag, high-pressure sales tactics. Those agents who try to force you into a quick decision?
Before you've even had time to think.
Exactly. Like flashing dollar signs.
Promising you the world.
It's so tempting to just get it over with, but
That's where the danger lies.
why?
Life insurance is a long-term commitment.
Huge.
A rush decision could mean you're stuck with a policy that's totally wrong for you.
Like an ill-fitting suit, but for your finances.
Yeah, a financial straitjacket.
So what's the takeaway here? What should people do?
Don't let anyone rush you. You have the power to take your time.
Yes.
Ask all the questions you need. Shop around, compare different options.
It's your money, your future, you're in control.
Absolutely.
Okay, speaking of asking questions, let's talk about
Go for it.
vague or confusing explanations, which, let's face it, happens a lot in the insurance world.
Yeah.
Have you ever read through one of those policy documents?
Oh, tell me about it.
It's like trying to decipher a secret code.
Right. Full of technical jargon, tiny print.
Makes your head spin.
Exactly. That's why clear communication is so crucial. A good insurance professional will break it all down, explain everything in plain English.
Simple terms.
Make sure you understand every single detail before you sign anything.
No more nodding and pretending you get it.
Right.
You have the right to ask questions until you feel 100% comfortable.
No question is a dumb question.
Okay, this next red flag is one that really gets my skeptical senses tingling.
Oh, I know this one.
Overpromising returns or guarantees.
Oh, yeah. The classic too good to be true scenario.
Right. Life insurance is a vital financial tool,
Absolutely.
but it's not a lottery ticket.
You're not going to get rich quick.
So true. Now, some policies like indexed universal life or IULs,
Right.
they do have a potential for growth, right?
They do. Their returns are linked to the performance of a specific market index.
Right.
But, and this is a big but, there are also risks involved.
Ah, yes. The dreaded risks.
Agents who are, shall we say, overly enthusiastic
Pushing a little too hard.
might gloss over those risks.
So be wary of those unrealistic pie-in-the-sky projections.
Do your due diligence.
And speaking of things that can be a little murky, let's talk about fees.
The hidden costs.
Oh, sneaky little fee.
They love to hide.
Seriously, they can really add up.
And eat away at your policy's value over time.
So frustrating. But a good agent,
A good agent is like a beacon of transparency. They'll lay it all out for you.
no hidden surprises.
All the costs involved,
Oh.
administrative fees, writer charges,
Surrender penalties.
the whole shebang. Don't be shy about asking for a full breakdown of all fees.
Demand it. Okay, last but definitely not least, let's talk about that one-size-fits-all approach.
Oh, the dreaded cookie cutter approach.
Because we are not cookies. We are unique individuals with different needs.
We're snowflakes, each with a different financial fingerprint.
Beautifully said. Your life insurance needs depend on your specific situation.
Your age, your health, your family, your financial goals.
It's all connected.
And a good agent will take the time to understand all of that.
They won't just try to shoehorn you into a generic policy.
They'll tailor their recommendations to you.
It's like a custom-made suit.
A bespoke life insurance policy, crafted just for you.
I love it. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
And I think the main takeaway is that knowledge is power.
Absolutely.
Don't be afraid to ask questions, do your research, and find an agent you trust.
Someone who has your best interests at heart.
And don't forget, you're in control. This is your decision.
You have the power to make the best choice for yourself and your loved ones.
And on that note, we'll leave you with this thought. Think about what truly matters most to you.
What are your goals, your dreams, your fears?
And how can life insurance play a role in protecting those things?
It's more than just a policy, it's peace of mind.
Until next time,
Stay informed.
and stay empowered.
See you later.
All right, take care.